Hey folks, Joel Niemeyer here. You probably know me from
The pitch.
Driven into right field! Way back! Gone! A grand slam walk-off home run sends Hutchinson to the state tournament.
You see, I have a bunch of fun calling sports games, but I've got two ladies at home who have a bunch of fun in the kitchen making fantastic treats and good eats. My wife's been cooking since she was a kid, and my youngest daughter already knows her way around a kitchen much better than I do, including thinking of making food her focus in life. Both have won multiple blue ribbons for baking at the county fairs, and now they're here to give you a leg up in your kitchen. Welcome to the family table.
Hi, welcome back to the family table. I'm Amy.
And I'm Arielle.
Today we are going to tell you about some tips that will help you to have the best way to have a stress-free or less stress Thanksgiving holiday. The best way is to plan ahead.
1 month before, you should be planning your guest list and making sure you get it finalized. Plan your menu and mark the day on the calendar so you know what's coming up and when you need to make sure you have everything ready by. 3 weeks before, you should make sure you have all your gear, like roasting pans, pie dishes, or anything else you might need. Create a shopping list and stick to your budget. You don't want to get too much stuff and you don't want to get too little. Order your turkey so you don't have to go running around finding a turkey at the last moment. Remember, it's 2 pounds per adult and 1 pound for child if you want leftovers. Shop for drinks or find a recipe for punch. Then that way you'll be prepared. 2 weeks before, clean out your fridge and freezer so that you have space for leftovers or anything else that might need to be in there. Make and freeze your pie dough or make and freeze your apple pie. 1 week before, shop for your non-perishables like equipment, decor, paper goods like napkins and paper towels and other supplies you might need. Prepare your cooking schedule so that you can make sure you're prepared for when everyone arrives. Create a seating plan so you know where everyone's sitting and you don't put stuff where they shouldn't go, such as hot stuff by little kids. Plan ahead for leftovers. Make sure you have all your containers or anything else you might need for them. Pick up your turkey. Again, you want to make sure you have a turkey so that way you're not running around. 3 days before, defrost your turkey and put it on a pan with a garbage bag so that it defrosts better. 2 days before, make your cranberry sauce, pie crust, and your pumpkin pie unless you froze an apple one.
1 day before, you should prepare your reheatable side dishes. Take out your serving dishes and prep ingredients ahead of time. You can also bake your pies. On the Thanksgiving day, don't stress, stick to your Thanksgiving Day plan. And the day after, use your leftovers. Make sure you refrigerate your leftovers within 2 hours to prevent food poisoning. That are all the tips that we have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving from Arielle and I.
Birdie, give me the birdie, get the birdie. I got a happy Thanksgiving to give me the birdie.